So after this interesting discussion, we can close these first days of the conference. I should summarize all we have said in this room today. So it's hard work. I cannot. I will try to make it without boring you furthermore. So first of all, I took also some notes to explain these points. First of all, I would like to thank all the speakers for their contribution today. Then I should say that I'm quite proud of the outcomes of the project ProFuture, because we reached almost we really actually implemented all the innovation we planned in the proposal, and this is a good result, I think. So thank you very much to the consortium for their work. And yes, another thing, I think definitely microalgae have a big potential as a source of ingredients for food and feed, and this is also something interesting for the future. But of course, there is still a need for more research, more development in many areas. And this gave us the possibility for another project for the future. This is also a good thing. Many areas, I think several things interesting are to be developed more in deep, are the different strain, the selection of strain. We discussed it this morning, and I think probably is one of the most interesting thing. And the other one is what we discussed just now, the possibility to have a good extraction, fractionation of the biomass, and the valorization of all these compounds which are in the original biomass. And then another important point for me is the at this stage, it's quite important this point of the development of the microalgae ecosystem. It's quite important the networking with stakeholders, with all the actors in the value chain, and with also, of course, with the regulatory authorities to try to speed up the innovation and to speed up the development of products ready for the market. And finally, the last point I think it's quite interesting to underline is the importance of improving circularity and the valorization of the wastes, or better, side streams. In ProFuture, we made some activity related with this point. The use of insect frass and the valorization of spirograss are two examples. But of course, it's this is a big field of study, so there is a lot of work to do, as Amparo explained it right now. And so there is a lot of possibility to be exploited in the future. And now, as Marie said, it's time to leave a little bit the science and to go to the terrace for the aperitivo and the taste of the ProFuture product developed by our industrial partners. So thank you very much.